Hi friends, it's Manu Shukla from English Insight. This time I am back to you with a new lesson. This is the smart ways to speak English. Friends, we'll use some expressions in our sentences that native speakers use in their sentences. So, for this, their expressions feel smart. What shall we do? We'll use all these expressions in our sentences and we'll also feel smart. Okay, let's do. Friends, we'll take 10 expressions and all these expressions are informal. They are not for writing, but while we speak, while someone speaks, we can use them, they can also use them. We'll see all these expressions. The number one is Dunno. This one is the expression Dunno. It means I don't know. I do not know, I don't know. We can cite an example here. Suppose there's a conversation between A and B. A says, what is he doing? What is he doing? B says, do know it. That means I do not know it. Do know it. That means I do not know it. This is number one. Number two, gimme. This one is the expression gimme. It means give me. Gimme means give me. We can cite an example here. Please give me a pen. Please give me a pen. Please give me a book. Please give me a table. Please give me a shirt. Okay, this is number two. Number three is Lemme. So what does it mean? Lemme means let me. Let plus me, Lemme. Okay, it's the meaning of Lemme, let me. Now we'll take the example here. Let me do it. Let me see it. Let me go there. Let me tell you a story. Okay, all these are the examples of number three expression, let me. Now comes number four. Number four is wanna. Wanna has two meanings. One is want to, second one is want a. Okay, wanna has two meanings. One is want to, second one is want a. We'll take some examples. I wanna go there. I wanna go there. Okay, this is I want to go there. Here wanna means want to, because here is the base form of the verb, and before the base form of the verb, if wanna is used, it means I want to go there. Okay, I wanna go there, I want to go there. Second example, I wanna book. That means I want a book. Wanna means want to, wanna means want a. Okay, I wanna book. That means I want a book. If there's a noun and before the noun there is the use of wanna, it means want a. Okay, I wanna book. I wanna book. That means I want a book. Number five, gonna. Gonna means going to. Okay, gonna means going to. We'll take an example here. He's gonna play. He's gonna play. That means he is going to play. Gonna means going to. He's gonna play. That means he is going to play. I'm gonna dance. That means I'm going to dance. This is all about number 4 and 5. Now we'll skip to number 6. It is gotta. Okay, written here gotta. It has two meanings. One is have or has got to. That means have got to or has got to. Number two is have or has got a. That means have got a or has got a. We'll take some examples now. We gotta go now. Gotta is used here before the first form of the verb. It means have got to. We gotta go now. That means we have got to go now. We can use we gotta go now. Okay. Number two, he got a car. Here is a noun phrase, car. Okay. He got a car. That means he has got a car. He got a car. I got a pen. I got a book. Okay, that means I have got a book. He has got a car. So, gotta means has got a. Here, gotta means have got to. So, we gotta go now. We have got to go now. He got a car. That means he has got a car. Okay, this is number 6. Now, we'll skip to number 7 and number 8. Okay, number 7 is Lotta. Number 8 is Lotsa. Both the meanings are the same. Lotta means lots of, and Lotsa means lots of. Both the meanings are the same. We'll take some examples here. Number 7, Lotta. she has Lotta pens. That means she has lots of pens. I have Lotta books. That means I have lots of books. Okay, this is number 7. Number 8, Lotsa. It means the same, lots of. She has lots of pens. She has lots of pens. It means she has lots of pens. I have lots of books. It means I have lots of books. Okay, this is all about number 7 and number 8. Number 9, it is kinda. Kinda means kind of. Kind of means slightly or in some way. Let's take some examples here. He's kinda glad to see me. That means he's kind of glad to see me. He's slightly or in some way glad to see me. Let's take another example. The curry is kinda salty. That means the curry is kind of salty. It means the curry is in some way salty. The curry is in some way salty or the curry is slightly salty. Okay, this is kinda. Kinda means kind of means slightly or in some way. This is all about number 9. Now comes number 10. It is Sorta. Sorta means sort of. Let's take some examples here. What sort of man is he? It's a question. That means what sort of man is he? Okay, Sorta means sort of. What sort of man is he? When you want to say what sort of man is he, so we can say what sort of man is he? Okay, what sort of man is he? So another example we can cite, he's that sort of man. It's written here, he's that sort of man. That means he's that sort of man. He's that sort of man, he's that sort of man. Okay? We can use all these expressions as native speakers use. When we use all these expressions, our expressions feel smart. The person can be smart. The version can be smart. The expression can be smart. Friends, we are coming with so many educational videos for you, so many interesting videos for you. Just you like and share. And if you are new to this channel, just you subscribe. You can also follow us on Twitter. So thank you for watching. Bye.